Morning, children. I hope you are taking good care of your health and you have understood the concept of silent B. So now it's time for me to test your knowledge. Are you ready for the challenge? Are you? I can't hear it. A louder yes. Very good. So let's start. Children, this is the worksheet we are going to do today. I'll be sharing this worksheet on WhatsApp as well as on ERP. Come on, let's start. Now let's begin with the story. The Small Lamb. Jake was a small lamb who wanted to climb a big hill. On the top of the hill were crumbs left by the farmer. Now children, Jake is the name of the small lamb. He wanted to climb a big hill. So why he wants to climb the big hill? Because he could see some crumbs which were left by the farmer on the top of the hill. Jake stepped over tree limbs as he climbed the hill. Here, tree limbs means the branch of the tree. His little leg felt numb as he pushed his way up and over the bumpy rocks. Numb means he was feeling scared as he was moving up on his way because the hill was full of rocks. He did not want to be called dumb for not making it to the top. Now, Jake was also scared that he will be called dumb if he will not be able to make up to the top of the hill. So he climbed and climbed. At last, Jake was on top. He ate all the crumbs and felt happy. But children, you know, hard work always pay off. So Jake climbed and climbed and he reached the top of the hill. And he felt happy and ate all the crumbs which were left by the farmer. Now here we end with the story and let's start to test our knowledge. Color the silent B words blue, then write 5 silent B words from the story. See children, I have already done for you lamb, climb, crumb, limb, climb, numb, dumb. Now you can write those 5 words here. Let's see. First is lamb, second comes climb, third crumbs, fourth numb, and fifth word is limb. Wonderful. Here comes some questions that we need to answer. Question number 1. Why did Jake want to climb the hill? Okay, tell me children, why he wants to climb the hill? So here comes the answer. Jake wanted to climb the hill because he wanted to eat those crumbs. I will repeat. Jake wanted to climb the hill because he wanted to eat those crumbs. Very good. The second question is, who put the crumbs on the top of the hill? Come on children, I know you know the answer. The farmer left the crumbs on the top of the hill. Very good. Let's repeat the answer together. The farmer left the crumbs on the top of the hill. You can underline silent B letter words in the same way I have done it in the answers. Question number 3. Why did Jake feel happy at the end of the story? Come on. Tell me the answer. Jake felt happy at the end of the story because he was on the top of the hill and ate all the crumbs. Very good. Jake felt happy at the end of the story because he was on the top of the hill and ate all the crumbs. Now we are done with the question answers. Let's move to the next part of the worksheet. Here comes some fill in the blanks with a word bank. You have to fill these blanks with the help of the words given in the word bank. I have 5 fingers and 1 dash on my hand. So what do you have 1 on your hand? It is thumb. 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 Please dash your messy hair. So what do you use to untangle your messy hair? So the answer is comb. C-O-M-B. It is hard to dash on a tree. So what do you do when you need to go up on a tree? Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. A dash goes bang. So the sound goes bang. The answer is bomb. B-O-M-B. Bomb. When your water leaks, you should call a good plumber. You should call a good plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. I'm sure now the concept of silent B is clear to you all. I will bring some interesting games for you all in my next video of silent B. Do not forget to send me the picture of the worksheet you have done with me today and do revise it. Till then, stay home, stay safe.